MonoTech Engineers presents precision straightening technology, engineered for the demands of modern metal processing industries. Introducing the straightening machine, designed to straighten high-yield and high-tensile materials with exceptional accuracy and consistency. This machine handles sheets up to 12 mm thickness and 2000 mm width, including 16 mm mined steely 250 Br, making it ideal for heavy-duty industrial applications. Installed at BEML, the machine is used for straightening high-strength materials required in earth-moving equipment, where precision and reliability are critical. Equipped with 3 DROs, the machine ensures accurate setting and repeatable results across production cycles. It features 11 adjustable straightening rollers, allowing precise control over material deformation across the entire sheet surface. All rollers are hardened and chrome-plated, protecting both the rollers and the workpiece from surface damage while ensuring long service life. Proper grounding of the rollers ensures uniform pressure distribution, delivering stable operation and consistent flatness. The machine is also fitted with a VFD drive enabling flexible speed control, slow processing for sensitive materials and higher speeds for faster throughput as per material requirements. As the sheet passes through the machine, controlled electromechanical movement gradually relieves stresses along the entire length without inducing internal stress. In a single pass, the result is smooth, uniform straightening with an excellent surface finish. To demonstrate the accuracy, a straight ruler is placed across the processed sheet. There is no visible gap and no light passes through, confirming true flatness and precision straightening. This level of accuracy ensures the sheet is ready for assembly and fit-up operations, eliminating the need for additional rework. With robust construction, precision-engineered components, and dependable performance, the straightening machine is the ideal solution for production-oriented environments. MonoTech Engineers, delivering accuracy you can measure.